अगर चरित्रहीन औरत ही होती तो बलात्कार पुरुषों के हुए होते। A human being can be stored in a pressure cooker. Then why people are saying बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ? बेटी पढ़ी तो पर बची नहीं। Cases in which a girl was cut into 32 pieces, and are girls safe in India? So I had heard lots of cases in these days about rape, and I feel so insecure while going anywhere, any point of time, and with anybody. In these days, I have had lots of cases. One of the most famous case was Kolkata case. Have you all heard about it? Okay. So in Kolkata case, is there any fault of that girl? Still, the chief minister of there still blame that girl, that girl was characterless. अगर चरित्रहीन औरत ही होती तो बलात्कार पुरुषों के हुए होते. But still, woman is going to suffer all that. That girl is raped by a gang rape. Still, there is only one man who get into a custody of police, but still not hanged out. I don't know what is this government is doing of India. I was so disappointed with it. I have no idea what will going to happen with me after this moment. I don't know every moment, every time what will going to happen. I am not an astrologer who can say that this girl will feel safe and this girl will not. I heard about the cases in which a girl was cut into 32 pieces and throw it in a place where you cannot find anywhere. When will the soul of that girl will going to get peace? Is there any fault of that girl? Is there fault of that girl wearing short dresses? There is a place in India where most of the cases are happening in Rajasthan. Are there girls are wearing short dresses? I don't think so. I had never ever saw them wearing short dresses like the girls wear here. They wear proper lehengas and dupattas. Still they are getting raped, and the maximum rate of rape are happening in Rajasthan only, in Madhya Pradesh, in Bihar, and lots of states in India. There are cases in which girls are stored in fridges and cutting into pieces and putting them in cooker. Like seriously? A human being can be stored in a pressure cooker. Is the life is that cheap? So disappointed with the government not taking any decisions with it. There are blackmailing, there are domestic violence happening with girls. Why not boys are facing all these problems? Why only girls are be like, no, I cannot go here? Is that fault of that Kolkata girl of getting that education and getting job there and still getting raped by those person? If getting knowledge is a crime, then why people are saying बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ? बेटी पढ़ी तो पर बची नहीं. बेटी का पढ़ने का फायदा भी तो तब होगा जब बेटी को पढ़ाया जाएगा और बेटी को बचाया जाएगा. Still there are approximately 85 to 86 cases are coming every day in India. Have you ever heard about that in foreign countries there are getting raped and getting famous? Only there are cases who are getting famous, only people are protesting for that only. What about those kids who are getting raped, who don't know what the rape means? A girl is born with the proper development with their families. Does a girl know what does that rape mean? Does a 3-year girl know what the short dresses means? Is she able to wear sari and go outside? Is a girl 14 years know what a physical relationship with a guy? Even though I don't have much knowledge about it. There are women who do work as this by doing physical jobs. Why don't you do with them? Why the innocent girls are facing all these problems? Every girl is asking, am I next for that? Even though after some time I think I will also say that. I don't even feel safe around everywhere, anywhere. Why? Is it boys' responsibility to feel their mother, their daughter, their sisters to feel safe? they can say that this is my sister, nobody can say anything to her, nobody can touch her. Why? Now where is your sisterhood? Where is your brotherhood? Now where are people who says, no, my sister is the best, no one can do this, no one can do that with her? Where now when you do with somebody else sister these things, when there is a very shame of you, shame of those people who do this. I was so bad in mood after coming here, because I know I have to speak about these topics. The thing that I don't like is happening in my own country. I cannot say proudly that I am a citizen of India. I feel so ashamed that I lived in a country and I was getting developed in a country which is not developed by itself. I have lots of questions for the government. Where is now Modi ji saying that मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों मैं तुम्हारी रक्षा करूंगा? Where is that raksha? Is that raksha is in their pocket? The Mamata Banerjee itself saying that girl was characterless. Is that thing of saying? What about that girl who had lost her life and still not getting any justice? So I would say that that's so disappointing after listening all this, and that's so heartbreaking for me, and I hope so for you all. Thank you, sir.